I purchased this device before it became viral, but truthfully, it has become one of my favorite Medicube devices. Hi everyone, this is Darcy, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Medicube Booster-H device. And on this video, I'm going to show you a demonstration, I'm going to give you tips and lots of information about it. This has become one of my favorite devices from Medicube because it's so versatile. You can use with face creams, with serums, with face masks, and I'm going to show you all the different ways you can use this device for even better results. This is going to be a very detailed video with demonstration and tips and lots of information. So if you want to jump anywhere in this video, please make sure to check on the timestamps below. Now let's get to it. Medicube Booster-H device is a very unique device because it mimics a dermatological procedure called skin booster injections, where serums are injected deeper into the skin so they can fully absorb and give benefits. The Skin Booster-H does the same thing, but without pain, and there's no recovery time required. It works through a process called electroporation. Electroporation creates temporary passageways on the skin layer, rapidly passing active ingredients and helps to bring back skin radiance. And this helps create a 490% increased absorption. One thing to keep in mind when you use this device is that this device is only as good as the skincare you use with this device, because the main sole purpose of this device is to really push all your great skincare deeper into the skin so you can get better results with the skincare you already use. So the best way is to find a skincare that addresses your issues, and this will take that to the next level. Because in general, just applying your regular skincare with your hands will not give you the best results, because a lot of products will not penetrate deep enough to give you those amazing results. And that is the brilliance of this device, because you'll make the skincare that you already own truly work the best. And I think that's why I love this device so much, because I find it so versatile. You can use it with serums, you can use it with creams, you can use it with face masks, and you can even use it morning and night, or even 3 times a day. It is gentle enough that you can incorporate into your skincare routine. Very important tip for you guys is to always make sure to know all the ingredients from your skincare that you use with this device, because some ingredients such as acids or retinol are not meant to go that deep into your skin and could cause some irritation. So be aware with what ingredients you are using with this device, because it will push them 490% deeper into your skin. So it can be beneficial to a lot of ingredients, but it can also cause irritation with certain ingredients. So I would definitely advise to stay away from retinols and acids when you use this device. I also love that Medicube always have clinical trials on all their products, and here you can see the details of the clinical trial. There increases the skin glossiness, helps with skin texture, also helps with pores and pigmentation, and again, results may vary according to which product you're using. Now I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm going to demonstrate all the different techniques that you can use with this device. There's 3 different ways you can use the HR Booster. There's watering, boosting, and focus, and I'm going to be demonstrating each of these ways. Watering mode is when you push the head of the device against the skin surface, rolling like drawing a circle into the skin. I like using the watering mode when I first apply the serum or creams, because it kind of helps to spread them around as you're doing circles, and you're also helping the product absorb. But you can also combine the watering modes with all the other modes. The boosting mode is the mode that I use the most, and it's really simple. You just turn the device, put the skincare, and you just slide the device slowly on your skin. The focus mode is when you push the head of the device against the skin surface and pressing in one spot at a time. And I love using this mode when I put a serum that doesn't slide too well, or a cream that dries too quickly. This is a great mode to use because you're still pushing the ingredients deeper, but you don't have to tug on your skin, or you don't have to slather your skin with too much of the product. You can just go on each area and hold for a couple of seconds, and it still work really well. It's recommended to start on level 1 when you're starting for the first time, and you can increase accordingly. It is gentle enough that you can use the device 1 to 3 times a day. The areas to avoid is the Adam's apple or the thyroid area, and any wounds or surgical area. Now let me show you a demo of the full treatment. The way to use it is using a fully cleansed face, and the treatment time is 5 minutes. What I like to do is do 1 minute on each area, so 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then 5. Today I'm going to be using their Collagen Glow Bubble Serum, but you can use any creams or serums that you already have. I do love this one, and I find it super hydrating. What I like the most about the Collagen Glow Serum is not the immediate effect, but is actually the next day. The next day I find that my face wakes up juicy and glowy. You can apply either to your hand Or you can apply directly to your face, but I find that when you apply directly to your face, you kind of waste a little bit of product because it over applies. So you can apply to your hand and just spread to your face. To turn it on, press the power button once.
Level 1.
And to change levels, you press the same button again. Turn it on.
Level 1.
So I like starting with the watering method to just spread the serum all over. And the watering method is just to do it in circular motions. And I like to spend a minute on each area. And once this all apply, I like to use the boosting mode, which is just sliding, slowly sliding. And I love that it tells you when it's time to move.
1 minute passed.
So now I move to the other side. And again, I start with the watering mode to just spread the serum. You can get some more serum from your hand if you like. And once it's fully spread, I go into the boosting mode. And I like that you can use it right under your eyes as well. But if you use under your eyes, make sure you are on level 1. So you can also use it on the side of your nose. It's great to plump up the wrinkles. And I also love that the pulsating motion.
2 minutes passed.
Now you can move to a different area. Do the forehead. I need a little more, so you can apply a little more to your hands. And do the watering. And then I do the boosting. Depending on the serum or cream that you're applying, it may dry quicker. And if it dries quicker, you can also use the focus mode, which is just holding 2 to 3 seconds on each area. It also works to help absorb it. If you're using a serum or a cream that dries too quickly, you don't have to keep reapplying, and that is very important. You can use any of the methods that I showed earlier, depending on the type of cream or serum that you use. So now that it's done here, I'm gonna go into my neck. And I'm gonna do the watering first, just to spread the cream. Or you can just do the watering mode as well, if you just want to, if that's the mode you like better. And then you just do. You can go up to the sides. When you do your neck, make sure you avoid the thyroid area, which is the Adam's apple area. But you can use under the chin.
4 minutes passed.
Now go to the other side of the neck. It goes by so quickly. And just go sideways or up or down as well if you want to do a little bit of lymphatic drainage.
5 minutes passed.
And that's it. As you can see, I'm glowing to heavens, but it's very important to notice that the Collagen Glow Bubble Serum does have a very dewy finish. So it's also the serum that is causing this super dewy glowness, which I personally don't like, to be honest, for the daytime. I like this best for the nighttime because I feel like it's a perfect nighttime mask to go to sleep like this. And whenever I use this at night, I wake up to juicy skin. Not glowy, not dewy, just moisturized and naturally glowing without being kind of oily looking. So I personally don't like this look for the day, but if you do, then this is your jam. I want to mention that because if you have oily skin, then this serum might not be for you. This is perfect for dry skin, or if you want to do an extra treatment at night. Is my favorite one to do at night, but you can use with any of your favorite skincares, and my favorite way to use the Glow Bubble Serum is at night. During the day, I honestly prefer to use my HR Booster with either my regular moisturizer, with a serum, or with a sheet mask. Now I'm going to show you how to use it with a sheet mask. I'm going to be using with the Medicube Cica Daily Quick Mask, but you can use with any of your sheet masks. I'm going to be using this one because it's truly my favorite sheet masks of all time. And I have talked about it on my channel multiple times. It's a daily mask that you can use without anything for 5 minutes as well. But I find that it works really well with the Booster-H as well to amplify the results. So you just put a sheet mask on.
Level 1, Level 2, Level 3, Level 4, Level 5.
When you use it with a sheet mask, I will amp it up all the way to level 5 because you have the sheet mask in between your skin and the device, so you can use it on the highest level. You can either slide like that, and it'll help all the ingredients from the sheet mask absorb even deeper, or you can also just hold it as well. So you can either do the boosting mode or the focus mode.
1 minute passed.
Then switch to the other side. Really helps the face mask. Ingredients absorb, so you just can spend 5 minutes all over your face. My lips are super dry right now, and it's because it's the winter and I have not been drinking enough water, so you can even use on your lips to deeply moisturize. So I'm going to use a little bit of this one, a lot, and just put it on my lips. So this is my lips before, and I'm just going to do a minute.
Level 1.
So I just got done applying. I just did 1 minute, and you can see that it really deeply hydrates your lips. It's really great that you can even use on your lips. You can also use this on the eye area and even under the brow. I'm going to demonstrate using with the cream, which is the Triple Deep Erasing Cream. And you can use it with either a face cream or eye cream.
Level 1.
Make sure when you use it on the eye area to be on level 1. You can use it with your favorite eye creams or face cream that is safe for the eye area. I use the Medicube face cream on my eye area all the time with no problem. So you can just use the boosting mode like I'm doing right now. I also find this really depuffing for the eye as well. If your eye cream or face cream gets already absorbed too quickly, you can always do the focus mode, which is just by holding for a couple seconds on each area. The focus mode works really well on the eye area, especially if your eye cream absorbs too quickly. That way you can just hold it instead of having to keep reapplying the eye cream.
3 minutes passed.
And you can spend 1 minute to 3 minutes, and that's it. And I find that it really helps to depuff the eye area as well. If you're interested on the HR Booster device or any of the Medicube devices, I do have a coupon code, and I'll leave that in the description box below with my affiliate links, and my coupon code can be combined with any sales. And right now they're having the holiday sales, so you can save a lot by using my coupon code on top of their holiday savings. If you have any questions, please make sure to comment below. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. I hope you're healthy and safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!